Barak the Yahweh, Barak Shai, Kal Halayim, La Yahweh, Barak Shai, Shkakadash, Allah for possibility to teach you. The real get ready. The opposite day. Everyone without you. Yes, 13:6, and wisdom not speed the times. Extra frustration, the fear of how much is treasure. The facts of Hebrews 10:38, but you get Proverbs 22 verse 6, 22 and 1. It says, now the just by faith, but man drop back, but still pushing him. Burn out the dropping petition, that's what accident to sin. But I'm bleeding for our souls. Just giving about Proverbs 22 and 1. A good name rather be chosen rather than riches, no favor rather than silver and gold. James 2 verse 6. Showing where she's going is young. Not apart from it. So you change the faith much as Hebrews 11 verse 1. Now faith so far is not seen. To see how he is actually delivered. Hebrews verse 6. But without faith supply please him, for he comes to how he is. His word and don't seek him. They're saying faith is what something that you cannot see, something that is seen with the tunnel vision, the eye salve. Matthew 26:41 once again. Where's the words of my shepherd, or the words of my Savior? Watch and pray with temptation. It's bringing to from the first week. See, it's come through a change from the trust bodies to trust celestial bodies. Thessalonians 5:17. Pray without ceasing. Do your thanks for the will of Yahweh, Mashakaoshai. Concerning you, Christian spirit, spirit and prophesying pro things. Whole flesh is good. Seeing all evil. Which is Philippians 4:8. It says, finally, brethren, say true, what's near pure, what's near true, what's near honest, what's near just, what's near pure, what's near lovely, what's near good report, if we enrich you, if we praise these things, think of these things, which is once again, here's my shop. Listen to 2 Corinthians 4:18. So if you should not seen, you see a temporal. You should not see eternal. So against for Ecclesiasticus says, look at our martial Lord and Savior as a pro example on how it's moving in current times. So 19:6 was not supposed to spill the times and strict reason of fear of his treasure. Also example once again. Did you a ball? Definitely try to make a bottom be quick martial. We're up to verse 16.
You don't eat your food? Why? Eat your food.
Okay. First week coffee faint now. But let man perish. Yet Aaron has been day by day. Fly fishing before fresh woman. Work for us machine return with glory. They're saying folks and especially hearts rewind or do it print away from them. Seeing Strangers to verse 1. Ecclesiasticus.
No. Are you gonna eat your lunch? Yeah. Okay. So we'll just leave his then. But I'm still working.
My son, thanks for the precipitation. There, her passing door. Making his time trouble. Cleanse him to put away. Make his last end. Must point to take cheerfully. Be patient with your listening to all patience, faith is much of our hearts by mind. Be patient with your slow state. If it's going to try to fire, some answer for my adversity. Believe in him, help thee. The right way, or trust in him. And so once again, Proverbs 3:47. Trust in other hearts my mind. Not to understand always knowledge and to the past, but what I don't know is fear from from evil. Because against the world, everything in this world is wicked. 22:10. Everything part from the natural stress, because please show you. I see you in situation. As a big effort, once again, D2 ball, that features from the bad from the great Marshall.